Hi guys, and welcome back to Taste and Bloom. Today I'm excited to be bringing you banana bread toast for babies and toddlers with a little twist to that of the toddlers. So by all means, stick with me and let's do this. So we'll need some slices of bread, bananas, some butter, and an egg. So this is the twist to the toddlers version. I'll be using some granola from Kiki's Homemade Foods. I'll leave her link in the description box so you can get some for yourself. So I'll begin by mashing my bananas in a bowl with a fork. If you're new here, thank you for coming by. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Now I'll go ahead and add in my egg. Once everything is mixed properly, I'll set it aside and then slice my bread. I'm cutting my bread into cubes, but you can cut them any shapes or sizes you prefer. I want to take this opportunity to also say a big thank you to my old subscribers. I thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Once I'm done slicing, I'll drop in some of the pieces of bread into my egg and banana mixture and make sure all my bread is well coated. So I'm making the toddler version of this recipe first. So I'll go ahead and coat my bread with some granola. So I'll be very generous with my coating. So the reason why I do this is that usually after frying, this is very soft and my toddler didn't like it. So with the granola, it gives it a little crunch. Then he would eat it for me. So for variation, you can also coat this with maybe crushed cornflakes or even crushed crackers. So I'll set this aside and go ahead to do the baby version. So that I'll just coat my bread with my egg banana mixture, and that is it. So now we'll go ahead and fry our bread. So I'm melting some butter in a frying pan first. Then I'll fry the baby version first. So I'll say to get it golden brown, let each side fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that my baby version of the banana bread toast is ready, I'll take those off the fire and then go ahead and fry the toddler version. Same way, I'll melt some butter first before frying my bread. Now my toddler version of the banana bread is also ready. This would be a great addition to your Bloomers breakfast or snack table. I spice things up a bit with some slices of bananas. You could drizzle on some maple syrup or honey if your toddler or baby prefers it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and share this video. And until we meet again in my next video, keep blooming.